1998 BMW E39 does not start up right away when the car is cold or it's been sitting for a long period of time. Don't know what the issue is. New camshaft sensor, new vanos, oxygen sensors, all new sensors. Let me know what you think it could be. This is what it's doing. You stick the key in. Then it starts and it's ready to go. It will start for the rest of the day as long as I go out every hour or so, or if I'm out running errands, it'll start up right away. Don't understand what's wrong. Normally I have a full tank of gas. So if anybody could comment on it and let me know what they think is the issue. The car has 170,000 miles on it. 598. So just let me know what you think and comment on my page. Thanks.